you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have STYLEVANA's products for June. Do you want to know what products I will be using this month? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my June's collaboration with STYLEVANA just arrived. They do send me these products to review to show you guys, so thank you so much, STYLEVANA, for sending me a box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys know STYLEVANA is not a subscription box, but they are a one-stop shop for anything K-beauty and J-beauty related. You can literally find anything on their shop. They have different deals, daily deals, they have deep deals, they have so many different things that go on sale at different times. So if there is something you have your eye on, always check back just to see what deal they have on that at that time. You can use my code, which is INF10 SheCrafty, and depending on how much is accumulated in your cart, that will save you anywhere from 10 to 15% off, in addition to their already low great deals. And if there's a brand that you know you like or you've heard of or you want to test out, you can actually search all through their brands, so you don't have to look through everything. You can choose the specific brand that you would like to look at, and it'll show you everything that they have to offer. So it's very easy to navigate through their website. So let's go ahead and see which products they sent for me to use this month. So they always have really quick shipping. They do take so much time into like packaging their packages. Everything arrives all just completely in so much care. Like nothing is ever, ooh, whoa, wow. We got some things in here. All right, there's like a big old kit here. I'm intrigued on what's in here. Okay, so let's start with this guy first, because I'm so interested what's going to be inside of this. It says Beauty Care Serum and Roller Collagen, Derma's home aesthetic system that contains dermocosmetic products containing high function and high content ingredients and effectively delivers them to the skin. Heck yeah, that sounds good. Ooh. Wow, it's on there. Okay, so without the plastic glaring you in the face, that is what it looks like. So it looks like we're gonna have like a serum and a face tool inside. I'm excited. Anything skincare, I'm all about. Me being in my 40s, I definitely want to take care of my skin for the longevity. So I'm all about skincare. So it comes in this really neat, like all white box. Is it magnetic closure? Yes. You have the magnetic closure. That would be neat to either store it in, or if you wanted to remove this and use anything else to store inside this box. It's a really nice box. You do have a manual that is inside here that probably tell you how to use it. You have, ooh, and that's got some weight to it. It's not like a chimsy little tiny thing. That has some weight to it. Ooh, and they move. They move and groove. That is neat. So as you're ooh, so they'll both move. Oh my gosh, that is so neat. They move and groove as it moves along your face line. They literally will move as you go like along your face. See that? They're moving. That is different. Derma. Ooh, Derma, I can't wait to try you. Ooh, that just feels good. Now, I've had other similar type concepts where they have two little nubby balls, but they don't move and rotate, and they're not shaped like these little like pumpkins or gourds. It just has like the little ridges that reminds you of like a pumpkin. But the other ones that I've tried that have the little nubbies, I don't even know if the nubbies even moved, but if they did, definitely not like this. So just this feel of how I'm feeling this, it just feels, it feels so neat, because I've never seen something like actually grab and you can feel it like pushing your skin away. So that, I'm super, super excited. I'm really excited about this thing. So it says slightly raise the handle at an angle from the skin and roll slowly and gently. You can fully experience the device's functions even if used gently. If you feel any pain, stop pushing forward and go backwards for a moment. So I don't know, maybe like if you pull, I don't think you would even pull your skin, but maybe like your little baby hairs. This would be the only thing that I would see that I would pull. But that is really neat. So it's showing just to go up and down on like the jawbone, jawline. It's saying don't go like up and down. Don't be like really hard. Just, you know, go with the motions. And I'm actually going to like this, I think. It feels really nice. I know that. And here is the Collagen Impact Hydro Serum Sapphire. So we'll remove this. Here's your dropper. I don't smell anything. So I'm really, really excited to try these out. So there's the first item. I'm just so excited about this one. I'm just so excited about that one. Red and black has always been like an eye catcher to me. I've always liked the colors. So this package is definitely drawing me in. There's just something about a red and black together that has always drawn me. Even though blue is my favorite color, red and black as a combination, it'll always get me. This is Gold Thread Face Mask containing hydrolyzed collagen, and it says the essence of ancestors' wisdom. How to use: apply the lifting mask starting from the neck to the forehead. Avoid the eye and the lip area. Wait 15 to 30 minutes and then carefully peel off the mask from neck up. Follow up with your usual skincare routine. So that is actually interesting. I normally don't like the ones where you have to wash off. I tell you guys that all the time. Nothing has changed. I will definitely try it. It was at this very moment that I regretted this decision. It was very painful to remove. It was kind of like I was taking skin layers off. It was very, very painful. It comes with this package right here. So that is a really good size. And it even comes with the washable, reusable little face whoopty-whoopty. So you can just, you help move it around. This helps like even it out and just push it around your face so much than just using like your finger. And then you just wash it off afterwards, dry it, and it's there ready for you next time you use it. So I like that they actually gave you this tool because I've actually purchased this tool. I even purchased these and use with resin projects. Like it helps move resin around too. So those little things are multi-purposes for me around here. So there is that guy. Next we have is Hydrop Sweet Gel Mask. Glow and Plump Vegan Hydrating Serum. Intensive Moisture for Dry Skin by Porito. I really, really love this brand. So that's what the packaging looks like. And let's get it out. It's kind of like a peachish pink kind of package. And let's see what you do. Directions: after cleansing, apply a thick layer onto skin, avoiding the eye and lip area. Leave on for 15 minutes and then gently rinse with lukewarm water. A nourishing and replenishing mask that provides long-lasting moisture and soothes the skin. So there is that guy. So next it says Dewy Tree High Amino All Cleanser. It says cream type amino acid apple wash one-step solution. Apple wash. This basic step to get clean and radiant skin amino acid cleanser. High Amino All Cleanser will help you to remove all types of residues, impurities, and traces of makeup at once while presenting moisturized and radiant skin. Directions: after taking out a proper amount and making plenty of bubbles with a small amount of water, softly rub on as if massaging the face, then wash it thoroughly with lukewarm water. So just like as a normal cleanser, and it doesn't say only so many times a week, so you can use this as a daily cleanser every day. So that's what the packaging looks like. So put a little bit in your hand, add a little bit of water, rub everything around to form the bubbles, put it all over your face, rinse it off, and you're good. I love a good cleanser because I wash my face every single night. So I'm so excited to try that. Next we have is a retinol cream for wrinkle care. Innovative and trustworthy. Bellflower. So that's what it looks like. And it says directions: apply a small amount of this cream formula to face after application, toner, or serum. So after you cleanse and tone your face, you put this on afterwards as a retinol cream for wrinkle care. So that is really neat. definitely, again, I love trying out new things, especially if it's new brands, new products. I just love that they have so many things to offer. And I love this brand too. This is Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella. This is Water Fit Sun Cream, SPF 50 plus, PA++++, made with pure centella from Madagascar. And it is a 50 ml. I don't recall trying a sun cream from this company, so I'm definitely excited. I always tell you guys how important sun protection is. So I love getting sunscreens. I'm outside in the garden. Ooh, that is a really cute packaging though. I think that's the cutest packaging with the little blue. It has like a clear blue lid, and then there's like this bluish kind of color to pump it up. That's really neat that it's a pump. That is so neat. And then you cover it up. That is a cute package that you can drop down in your purse, your backpack, a sporting bag, golf bag, your car. You just put it in your gardening bag. Put it in anything. There's no scent. It went away very, very easily. So I can't wait to put that on my face and arms next time I go in the garden. Now that I have chickens too, we'll be out in the yard a whole lot more, tending to the chicken coop, the garden. So I definitely love a good sunscreen, and it's SPF 50 plus. All right, you guys, so the last item is this big old box right here, and it says Safe Me Relief Essence Toner. Gentle and hydrating essence toner for deep moisturizer, pH 5.5. So that's what it looks like when you first take it out. I will remove this sticker, and yeah, so you just put it on. It's simple. It's easy. It's easy. Simple and easy is what we like. This is a gentle essence toner with moisturizing agents, and it has hyaluronic acid to help deeply hydrate skin and leave the skin dewy with a healthy look. How to use: after washing the face, at the first step of skincare, dispense an appropriate amount onto a cotton pad. Gently wipe the face clean, except for the skin around the eyes and mouth, starting from the inside of the face and working around. So there is a nice toner. I use a toner every single night when I get out of the shower after cleansing. Then I tone and then put whatever I want to put on my face before I go to bed. So I really like that it's a nice large size toner, and it's probably going to feel amazing with it being a relief essence toner. So I'm so excited. So that is what they sent for this particular month. What I will be using is this toner. We have a sun cream. We have the cleanser with the amino acid. We have 2 different face masks. You have the retinol cream for wrinkle care, and the most interesting part in this whole thing is what I'm super, super excited about is this kit right here. Okay, you guys, so that is my June collab with STYLEVANA. Again, they just sent the best products, and it's always just normally at random. Last month was the first time I got to choose a brand. I just really like when they just send me random things, because half the time I won't even go to see what they are. I'll just be like, yep, that's fine, because whatever they want to send me, I want to show you guys. So I'm not going to be picky and be like, no, don't send me that. Send me that. I'm always just like, yep, sure, send it. So I don't really know exactly what it is until I get them in my hands to actually try them. I love that little surprise and the excitement that they send to me. So I love it. But again, if you guys do want to check them out, they have it all. K-Beauty and J-Beauty related. And INF10 SheCrafty will get you that 10 to 15% off depending on what is accumulated in your cart. All right, you guys, so that is everything for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know, have you seen any of these products before? Have you heard of any of these brands? Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.